Tessa, who can benefit from your course, Your Secret Potential?
Well, actually, I think anybody can benefit from it, because nowadays so many people are doing the same thing. Like, you've got many people into arts, you've got many people into pop songs, but you've also got people in business doing the same thing. And you know, it's becoming increasingly difficult for people to say, oh, why should I take this person versus that person? And that's where this essence comes in. So if you're looking to find the right job or the right thing to do or the right expression in your art, that little factor of who you are specifically versus, you know, everybody else doing the same thing is going to make a huge difference.
So how are people going to access their secret potential?
That's a good question. The secret potential is obviously what is a bit hidden, so it's not so obvious. It's not the way we're used to expressing ourselves. And to trigger that, I'm going to give some exercises where I'm going to ask you to just kind of get out of your comfort zone and do something that you may think, or your rational head may think, well, this is a bit weird and I don't know how to do it. And then we'll have a little bit of time to actually reflect on what you've done and to see how that reflects exactly who you are, and how with the same exercise, the same given theme, everyone is really different and very individual, and you'll get an appreciation of who you are.
Great, thank you.